In this video, we are going to discuss about direct memory access. I am Meenakshi, working as an assistant professor in KSR College of Engineering. Direct memory access is a method. It allows I/O device to send or receive data directly to or from the main memory without the involvement of CPU. It's mainly for speed up the memory operations. These processes are managed by a direct memory access controller. So these are the possible operations that can be performed by the DMA. First one is I/O device to memory, memory to I/O device, memory to memory, then I/O device to I/O device. The DMA requires the CPU to provide two bus signals. First one is bus request. It is an input to the CPU through which DMA controller asks for the ownership of the bus. The second one is bus grant signals that the bus has been granted to the DMA controller. This is the overall structure of direct memory access operation. Here the data can be The data can be transferred between memory and I/O devices without the involvement of CPU. This process is managed by the DMA controller. The data and address of the data can be transferred by using data bus and address bus. If the memory and I/O device want to transfer the data, first the I/O device send request signal to the DMA controller. Then DMA controller send the acknowledgement signal to the I/O device. And then the DMA controller send bus hold signal to the CPU. After that, the CPU receives the bus hold signal and then it sends acknowledgement signal to the DMA controller. Now the DMA controller takes ownership of the bus and then the data can be transferred between memory and I/O devices without the involvement of the CPU. So there are two signals used to for DMA operation. The first one is bus hold signal and then bus acknowledgement signal. If the DMA controller is free, it requests the control of bus from the processor by raising the bus request signal. Processor grants the bus to the controller by raising the bus grant signal. Now the DMA controller is the bus master. Then the processor initiates the DMA controller by spending the memory addresses, number of blocks of data to be transferred and the direction of data transfer. The DMA replaces the CPU for the transfer task of data from I/O device to the main memory. These are the advantages of direct memory access. It speeds up the memory operations by bypassing the involvement of the CPU. The work overload on the CPU decreases. For each transfer, only a few number of clock cycles are required. These are the disadvantages. It increases the price of the system. Cache coherence problem can be seen when DMA is used for data transfer. Thank you.